Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Better Tech. Today, we'll discuss some common phone issues and the potential solutions. We've all been there. That moment when your phone starts acting up. Maybe the battery drains faster than a glass of water in the desert. Apps keep crashing like a roller coaster gone wrong. Or you can't seem to get a decent internet connection. Fear not, before you throw your phone across the room. Let's explore some common phone problems and their potential solutions. Your phone used to last all day, but now it barely makes it to lunchtime. There are a few ways to get your battery life back on track. Head over to your settings and check your battery usage statistics. This will show you which apps are draining the most power. If there are any power-hungry apps you don't use often, consider restricting their background activity or even uninstalling them. Lowering your screen brightness and disabling auto refresh can significantly improve battery life. Every little bit counts. These features are useful, but they can drain your battery if left on constantly. Consider enabling them only when you need them, like using maps or connecting to a wireless speaker. Most phones have a built-in power-saving mode that reduces performance to conserve battery. Utilize this option when your phone needs a little extra juice to get you through the day. There you have it. By taking control of your battery usage and settings, you can extend your phone's life and avoid those dreaded low battery notifications. Your apps are crashing more often than a toddler throwing a tantrum. Let's fix that. Sometimes, a simple app force stop and restart can clear temporary glitches. It's like giving your app a quick refresh. Over time, apps accumulate temporary data that can cause performance issues. Clear the app cache to see if it resolves the problem. Just a heads up, clearing app data will erase your logins and settings within that app, so proceed with caution. Outdated apps might have bugs that cause crashes. Update the app to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements. Additionally, keeping your phone's operating system updated can also address compatibility issues with apps. If all else fails, consider uninstalling the app and reinstalling it fresh. This can clear out any corrupted data causing problems. Remember, a little app maintenance can go a long way in keeping your apps running smoothly and frustration-free. Now let's talk about network woes. Your internet connection is slower than a sloth on vacation. Don't worry, we can get you back online. A simple restart can often refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches. It's a classic troubleshooting tip for a reason. Make sure you have a strong cellular signal or Wi-Fi connection. Move to a better location if necessary. Sometimes, a corrupted network connection can cause issues. Try forgetting the network on your phone and reconnecting with the correct password. Contact your service provider to see if there are any known outages in your area that might be affecting your connection. By following these steps, you can hopefully diagnose and fix those pesky network issues that keep you from staying connected. Here's a bonus tip. Regularly back up your phone. This ensures you don't lose precious data if a troubleshooting attempt goes awry, or if your phone requires a factory reset. That's it for today's phone troubleshooting guide. Remember, these are general solutions for common problems. If your phone issue persists, consulting the user manual, searching online for specific model troubleshooting guides, or reaching out to your phone's manufacturer for support might be necessary. But hopefully, with the tips we covered today, you can tackle some of those common phone problems and keep your trusty device running smoothly. If you have any questions or specific phone woes you'd like us to address, leave a comment below.